Hi, this is Michael Virardi. I'm very honored to be part of European University Cyprus's new student orientation program. We will spend an hour and a half together in an interactive session titled Different is Better Than Better. I'm sure you're as excited as I was when I was starting university. This is a new chapter of your life that will be full of learning and memories. Your university experience also prompts the question, what comes next? It is a period of your life that will have you wondering what your future will hold. During our virtual session, I will share some of my secrets to success and the lessons that I've learned along the way. If there is one thing that I've learned from experience, it is that life is too short to only learn from your mistakes or successes. My promise to you is that you will have a fun session that will provide many opportunities to interact and learn. It's also a great chance to get to know your fellow students and become part of the European University Cyprus's community. Thanks a lot, and I'm looking forward to seeing you very soon.